In this video, we present information related to the Department of Economics and Finance for post-offer holders in Combined Honors in Social Sciences. We are Dr. Ana Maria Nicolae and Dr. Aisha Yazici, non-single honors program directors in the Department of Economics and Finance. The outline of the presentation is as follows. We will tell you a few words about Durham University Business School, and we introduce the key contacts you will have here in the business school. We will talk about economics as part of the Combined Honors in Social Sciences degree, and we will introduce our modules. We will provide example of pathways in economics, and we will briefly talk about economics as a social science. Durham University Business School is the fourth faculty in the university, Faculty of Business, and is an internationally renowned, research-led, multidisciplinary business school, which provides courses at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. The Department of Economics and Finance is one of the three departments in the business school. The key contacts in the department are the program directors, and here you have our email addresses. The preferred method of communication is through email. Next, Dr. Yazici is going to talk about economics as part of the Combined Honors in Social Sciences degree.
We now present some information about the CHSS degree and economics as part of the degree. A CHSS student chooses 120 credits from 2, 3, or 4 subjects in each of levels 1 and 2. Typically, 120 credits is equivalent to 6 20-credit modules. A CHSS student undertakes a research project in level 3. This is called dissertation in economics in our department. And the student chooses modules up to a total of 120 credits from 2 or 3 subjects. CHSS program regulation allows a student to take up to 60 credits in economics in level 1 and up to 80 credits in economics in each of levels 2 and 3. We now give a short introduction to our modules in our department. First, our level 1 modules. Principles of Economics is an introductory module to economics and must be taken and be passed to progress to level 2. Economic methods covers the methods, precisely maths and statistics needed to study topics in economics. All modules in level 2, except 2, require economic methods to be taken in level 1. We also have 4 other level 1 modules that the students can choose from. In level 2, we have a core module available to CHSS students. The module covers microeconomics and macroeconomics topics and is the key module for progression to level 3. Economic data analysis builds on economic methods and equips students with the econometric tools needed to understand evidence-based research. There are 4 other level 2 modules that students can choose from. We have a good variety of modules to choose from in level 3. Dissertation in economics is a double module and is an independent research study that students undertake to analyze their own research questions.
What is important to be aware of when choosing your modules are prerequisites and co-requisites. For example, at level 1, Principles of Economics has a prerequisite, A-level Mathematics, a minimum grade of A or equivalent. As an example of co-requisite, we have Economic Methods. Economic Methods has a prerequisite, A-level Mathematics, a minimum grade A or equivalent, and a co-requisite, principles of economics. If one takes economic methods, principles of economics must be taken too. There are also prerequisites for progression to levels 2 and 3. Examples of prerequisites for progression to level 2 are macroeconomics applications and policy has one prerequisite, principles of economics, while behavioral and experimental economics has two prerequisites, principles of economics and economic methods.
We now give examples of pathways that students can follow in economics. Let's first illustrate a 40-credit pathway. In level 1, students must take principles of economics and can choose one other module to complete 40 credits. In level 2, for progression to level 3, students must take the core module in economics in level 2. What they can take in addition to the core module depends on whether economic methods in level 1 is taken or not. If economic methods is not taken in level 1, then there are two options available: micro applications and policy, and macro applications and policy. On the other hand, if economic methods is taken in level 1, students are eligible to take any module in level 2 in addition to the core module. In level 3, if the core module is taken in level 2, but not economic data analysis, two modules from those available to CHSS students except dissertation in economics and applied econometrics can be taken conditional on prerequisites are met. If the core module is taken together with economic data analysis in level 2, dissertation in economics in level 3 can be taken. We next illustrate a 60-credit pathway. In level 1, students must take principles of economics and economic methods and can choose one other module to complete 60 credits. In level 2, the core module and two other modules can be taken. In level 3, as explained before, if the core module is taken in level 2, but not economic data analysis, 3 modules from those available to CHSS students except dissertation in economics and applied econometrics can be taken conditional on prerequisites are met. If the core module is taken together with economic data analysis in level 2, dissertation in economics and one other module can be taken conditional on prerequisites are met. Finally, we illustrate sampling in economics. In level 1, the student must take principles of economics, which is 20 credits. In level 2, the student can take one of the two modules, each of which is 20 credits: microeconomic applications and policy, macroeconomic applications and policy. In level 3, the module not chosen from the two in level 2 can be taken in level 3.
Thank you, Aisha. Economics, classified as a social science, studies how individuals make decisions about the allocation of scarce resources. Economics is closely related to other social sciences through the object of study, human behavior, and is a discipline that works very well as part of a combined social sciences degree. It combines very well with other social sciences disciplines such as geography, history, politics, sociology, and philosophy. There is a strong link between economics and geography. For example, for trading goods, distance plays an important role. The distribution of natural resources across the globe plays a huge impact on the economy of a country, as well as factors such as climate that determine what kind of goods and services a country can produce and what kind of goods a country should acquire through imports. Our relevant modules then can be taken are Introduction to the International Economy and the Economics of Sustainability at level 1, and Environmental Economics and Policy and Development Economics at level 3. Regarding economics and history, we know that activities of people in society are very closely related to economic matters. Therefore, for a historian, a good understanding of economics is essential to be able to properly understand and explain the major historical events of any period. The relevant modules available in economics are Introduction to the History of Economic Thought and History of Economic Thought at levels 1 and 3, respectively. Economics and politics are strongly interconnected. One obvious example is the role of institutions for long-term economic growth, which is closely linked with property rights, political stability, competitive and open markets, taxation, and public expenditure. The relevant modules in economics are Development Economics, a very popular module among combined honors in social sciences students, International Economics, and Public Economics. For any questions you might have, please feel free to email us. Thank you.